Greetings and salutations. Yesterday I came out and worked on the bus for a bit, and I didn't film a lick of it. I just kind of threw my shoulders in and got to work. And so I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you what I accomplished yesterday. Let's take a look. Before I show you what I did, I bought this quad camera setup with a rear view, a front view, and two side view cameras. And of course, one of the cameras doesn't work, and I don't know if they're going to replace it or not. They said they were going to, but they haven't responded to my last email. So I put this center section up all the way to the sliding door. I haven't done anything in the master yet. I'm saving that for last. I built this bus around this design element, having a little bit of an arch, but having this flat center section. And then this will get trimmed out, and the trim will extend beyond this. And then there will be a like a LED light strip that goes down both sides. They'll be controlled from the driver's seat. They'll run off the bus batteries, so that when we're driving down the road or something at night, we don't have to turn all these LEDs on. So I did that. I got my little panel back in. Seatbelt retractors in place. Oh, check this out. Oh, there's my flashlight. Oh, okay. Oh, would you look upon that? Yeah. For spices and stuff. You can never have too much cabinet space. What else did I work on? There we go. Yeah, I haven't done anything in there yet, but I did pick up some tile. Probably will do, because I gotta tell you, this penny tile is a pain in the ass. So I'll probably do this up here in the 3x6 tile and do everything else in penny tile, or at least in the shower area. I'm gonna do the shower area from this line down for sure in penny tile. My wife keeps asking me, "Did you do the penny tile yet?" No. You gotta get that done. I know, but I don't want, because reasons. But man, the lumber is expensive. And this freaking, I don't know about where you live, but out here, the COVID-19 response out here just keeps getting more and more bizarre. I don't like it at all. I went to the Home Depot yesterday to pick up supplies, and now they're limiting. Now that we flattened the curve and we're on the back side of that curve, now they're placing more and more restrictions to how many people per 1,000 square foot. Just got an email today. Walmart is limiting occupancy of their stores to 5 people for every 1,000 square feet. So depending on the size of the store, they're going to limit how many people come in to the store at any one time. Which is great. Except out here, it's going to start getting hot. And they don't start... Anyway, I'll get myself worked up if I don't stop. So I'm going to stop. What am I going to work on today? Well, I did... Oh, that's the other thing I did too, is I finished the inside of this. I don't know if I have any video of this prior, but I just lined it. This was like same thing with this. I put this in the bottom. And same thing with these. So there's like a gap. Oh. Let me show you. See, there's like a 3/4 inch gap to run these wires and stuff through. So now they all have bottoms in them. I put them trim pieces on. That one anyway. And I think the trim piece for this is in the trailer. So we'll get that. And then I have, like I mentioned, I picked up some thin set and some tile and some more of this stuff so I can finish all this up. And what else? Oh, I picked up another sheet of 1/2 inch plywood so I can finish this spot here, and hopefully, probably ain't gonna have enough to do, but I have enough to do this. I can finish this off, and probably these side pieces. And if I have enough left, which I probably don't, I need to put that piece in. And then I have the cord, the same material I used for here for this piece, and then the piece that's going in here. But I need to finish my wiring for the lights, and I'm trying to get the front of the bus wrapped up so that I can work my way into the back. I still have the foam sitting in the back. I haven't done anything about the cushions here because I'm trying to procure a sewing machine on a cheap. The other day I went to Walmart. What did I need to get? I went to Walmart for? Oh, I was looking for a map. I was looking for an atlas. And while I was there, I went through the sewing section to see if I could find an inexpensive sewing machine. I couldn't find an inexpensive sewing machine. I couldn't find a sewing machine. All the sewing machines were gone. All of them. So, because everybody's making masks. And got news for you people. Those masks are not going to keep you from getting sick. Anyway. So I have some material I can work. I think I might go ahead and mix up some thin set and start placing some tile. That's probably the smart thing to do. I need to get that tile done. Okay. That's a start. It's hot in here, and I'm gonna turn this on. Maybe they'll get some air flowing through here. Not. Yeah. If I got enough more to do one more or not. Maybe I do. So I don't know if I'm going to do any more today, so I want to make sure that I don't have any grout stuck where I got to put tile tomorrow. I think I got enough for one more. Move. There you go. Ouch. I poop. So that's kind of what I'm going for. Putting towel low and probably this all the way up. This is gonna suck. That's a lot of cutting, and I still got to infill the half tiles that go down here. So I think I'm gonna try to get to bed at a decent hour tonight and see what's today, Tuesday. I gotta edit and upload, so I'll do that. I'll edit and upload, and I'll try to get to bed at a decent hour, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get up early and come out here before anybody else is up, and I got a couple of hours to myself before the kids got to do their schooling, and try to get a lion's share of this knocked out. It's 4 o'clock now. I'm hungry. I need to go eat. But anyway, that's kind of the look I'm going for. All right, I decided to stay out here for another hour, and I made these. I talked about this in an earlier video that I was going to make some hidey holes, and some of you said, you shouldn't tell anybody where your hidey holes are. There ain't enough people that that are watching these videos. I'm not worried about it. But just to give you some ideas. These are the same clasps I use to hold the cupboard door shut. And eventually I'm going to take my 4-inch hole saw and cut this out and maybe make it a little bit larger. There's a piece of framing up here and a piece of framing down here, and then there's nothing behind here, just plywood, and I can, you know, stash stuff back there if I wanted to. Kind of like that one over there. Ah, damn it. No place to put this thing. Need to hire a camera person. Alright. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh! Look at that! Huh? I'll do the same thing over there. I'm a pretty smart fella. Or a fart smella, one or the other. Yeah. So if you like that tile, smash the like button and share it with your best social media network. I'd like to invite you to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And if you do, please click the little bell icon that's right next to it. That way YouTube will let you know the next time I upload a video. I need a freaking haircut so damn bad. If you'd like to support this channel financially, there's a few ways you can do that. Check the links in the description. There's PayPal, Patreon, and Amazon affiliate links. If you can afford to do that, thank you in advance. If you can't, that's okay too. Just means we're probably related. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. I gotta go get this thin set off my hands. Bye.